friends, this is Griselle from Griselle'S Case. Welcome to my kitchen, and today I just want to share with you 10 of my best favorite tools for baking. And everybody have their own favorite, so I do have my own, and I just want to share those with you. When I'm baking, these are the items that I absolutely love. And the very first one will be of course, my KitchenAid mixer machine. And I have actually had this one in red. This one was my very first one that my husband gave it to me as a gift present on a Christmas and a couple years ago. And I just recently purchased the aqua color. When I saw it, I just have to have it. So I actually have two of them. But I mean, of course, I know they are a little bit pricey, but if you can afford one, it's just a great investment for your kitchen. I also have these beautiful pans. I say beautiful because for me, they are beautiful. And these are brand by Fat Daddy. These pans are heaven, I'm telling you. I know there's the Wilton brand, there's so many brands out there, but these ones so far, these ones are the best for me. I mean, the cakes don't get stuck on the pan, and they're very light and easy to clean. So these are my favorite. I mean, I'm telling you, it's a great investment. They are a little bit pricey, but they are worth it. So I have pretty much all the sizes. I own the 10, the 8, 6. I also have a 12, and I believe I have a size 14 also. So these are great for your kitchen for baking. One of the my third favorite tool, it will be this cake smoother. I completely love it. I used to struggle a lot to smooth my cakes with using a spatula, and it took me forever to just get that cake really smooth. And this is the great tool. I mean, what I do is actually after I frost my cake, I run this under hot water, I dry it a little bit, and then when the while it's hot, I just continuously smooth my cake, and it's so easy, super easy, and it's not that expensive. I have seen this tool even in the Dollar Tree, so this is great to have. Another of my favorite tools, it will be a cake tester, of course. I used to use the toothpicks all the time. I used to have knife. I used to have all kind of different things I actually invest into my cake tester. And of course I have to have it in this color because these are my favorite color right now. Also, I have this big tip. When you are frosting the cake, it makes it so easier. And this one is from Wilton, big, and it just covers a lot of the cake when you're going around to frost the cake. Super easy, and then you go with this other smoother, and it makes your work super easier. This is another of my favorite tools. Also, I have these brushes. This one is from Wilton. This one I just got in Michael's in the regular paint brushes section, but this one is called the fan brush, and is insane. I mean, how much it covers when you are actually doing the hand painting, covering with gold color. It covers a lot, and I love it. It doesn't leave any marks when you're painting. It's really good, and it's not as pricey. I got a whole package. I think it was maybe for $5 or $7, but with the 40% coupon that they have, it's not gonna be a whole lot. This one I love when I'm actually doing the dust on the cake. It will make it easier. This one is one of my favorite brushes, these two. And I do have few of them, but these two are the best. I also love my turntables. Let me see if I can just place them over here. I have two of them, of course. I found they're both from Wilton. This one I actually bought years ago in Joanne when I first started baking. And then one trip that I did to the Goodwill, I actually found a friend of mine. She was with me and she says, oh look, what is that? I said, oh, that's a turning table. So I bought this one for maybe $2, and it's a different size. As you can see, this one is lower than this one. And I like to have two turntables because when I'm doing two-tier cakes, I can actually decorate one on this one and I just put it on the side, and then I put the second layer or the second tier and put it over here and work with the second tier, and it makes my job super easier. I also love these little bottles. These bottles, super cheap. I know Wilton sells them, but if you go to the Dollar Tree, they also have bottles like this, maybe not clear, but they will be in red and I believe in yellow because it's for the ketchup and the mustard, of course. But you can use those too. And I use these for when I'm doing the drizzle around the cake, like I'm gonna show you on the video. And I also use them when I'm doing some syrup, the simple syrup on the cakes. Super easy, and I mean, I just have to have them. One other item, it will be this mat that you see here, and this mat is a silicone pastry mat, and I really like it because when I'm actually doing a cake in fondant, the mat, once you put it on the surface, it doesn't move anywhere when I'm rolling the fondant. So it sticks to the surface, and also I love it because it have the sizes. So if I want a circle around 16 inches circle for my cake in fondant, so I just follow the measurements on the mat. And I got this one, actually it was in Aldi's store. It's the grocery store, Aldi's, and super cheap. I don't think I paid more than $5 for this, so this is a great investment. And these ones, my last favorite item, it will be my pink boxes. I know there's tons of boxes out there for bakery, and every time that I go to the bakery store, if I run out of my pink boxes, I just go on the all white. But I just gotta tell you, this is my favorite, and they do come in different sizes. They have these little ones, I have them in size 8, they come size 10, size 12, and so on. So I love these pink boxes. And well, and that's it. Those are my 10 most favorite items in my kitchen, around my kitchen. And thank you again for watching my videos, and thank you for being part of my kitchen. I really appreciate every single one of you who has subscribed to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. And I do tutorials every Sundays and Wednesdays. Sometimes I do bring tutorials too, but I do bring 2 videos every single week. So thank you so much for being with me, and God bless.